We're gonna do for you now. It's my honor to bring out the first bunch of my Hālau Māluakiʻiwailehua. We are gonna start with, of course, the gracious ladies. And you know, in Hula, in Hālau, for the wahine, we have categories. We have the wahine class, which is typically the younger class, and then we have the makua, the middle age, and then you get to the gracious. And when you reach the gracious line, this is the good fun line. And the reason why it's good fun is because they get to do all the good fun hula, the nice, slow, sassy kind hula. But really, at Hālau, it's all the goodies that they bring to practice, yeah? All the desserts. Because we 60% eat, 40% dance. That's usually what we do, truth be told. But usually in the gracious class, we don't normally do kahiko because you graduate from kahiko, you do all the other pretty stuff. But you know these buggers, they're still young, yeah? They cling, they're very clingy. And so given the chance to dance kahiko, they will. So please give them a round of applause for being able to still dance kahiko. They're gonna take you to the island of Kauai. This mele is entitled Ike Ike o ne Kani o Nohili. O Nohili, me ka paha paha lea o boli hale. Ike ike o ne kania o Nohili, me ka paha paha lea o boli hale. Ike ika vai ula o mana, na niu e ho'ola I o kauna lewa. Ike ika vai ula o mana, na niu e ho'ola I o kauna lewa. Pa'iho makanila he kiu, ike ia e kano e la ini I hau. Pa'iho ka makanila he kiu, ike ia e kano e la ini I hau. Oh hai hai, oh hai hai, na e kana haulu, ka makani miki o e la ole hua. Oh hai hai, ana e kana haulu, ka makani miki o e la ole hua. Kupu kani oe ko ka uai, kunihi hahau uau.